Hi, I'm Rune Rugland. I'm proudly presenting Hydroscand Energy. Hydroscand Energy are focusing on the oil and gas and energy sector, customers and partners, providing custom-made solution, prioritizing factors as uptime, quality, and the perfect fit for their needs. Innovative, for me personally, means that it's like looking at the solution in another way to find the best solution for the future. So it's about being curious and try to find the best practice in the way of working. The newest innovative system we have been implementing in Hydroscand Energy is the hose asset management. It's a maintenance system for hydraulics components, hydraulic hoses, pipes and equipment to give the customer a risk-based maintenance plan regarding inspection, replacement, and it's all traceable in our customer-friendly system. Hydroscand Energy has been using our customers in this journey of creating the strategy and the solution. So the customer have fully control over the hoses. Through our 55 years of experience in the hose industry, we have been doing great delivering hoses in our service stores and our service vans. And now, with our hose asset management, we will look in the future to prevent the hoses to leak or burst, so we can change it before the accident happens.